Some people may have about 2 lives I go share with you, see, and me have to tell you, get your gummy beer and popcorn, because that one here, me not lie, it reveal a lot of things. So as you see by the title, the X gang and Willie kick off. So technically right now, Willie is not an X gang member. Him get kicked out of the group because of some shady stuff we him do. You see me I say, even D0Ne the man tie up and mix up and go on with a bunch of things. But as how it sound, D0Ne not beat him. D0Ne still there by his side. So I'm going to share with you what start everything. Play a voice note. See, not a voice note, a live. See, with Willie and D0Ne. What cause everything. I come like say everything been brewing, People been finding him out in a X-gang and have him off a way. Because D0Ne come explain everything. Cause here we go and D0Ne do a live. Willie forward on the live. And style World Dog. You see me I say him never do nothing for him. World Dog gear back and take live feed and drag him down wicked. Expose him wicked. World Dog expose every single thing. And the X-gang members them did it right there when World Dog bring him up, bring him down. You see me I say, and also put in for them input and where him go on with. So it look like say them been a preem from longer time. Look like say boy in bad mind World Dog and one bag of things. So D0Ne see the live with World Dog do and go respond to everything. So D0Ne first go live, then World Dog, then D0Ne go back live and I have everything for you. So get your gummy beer and popcorn as me say and make way listen to all of these things. You see me I say, so I go kick it off with this with D0Ne and Willie up on live and something. So I just go play the audio. See? So here I go.
Yeah man, you know it's good just to say man, no worry about my downfall man. You get me a shot for them, I feel that time for everything. You get me? Yeah man, I understand them man. I feel that time for everything man. So now you can do that, you can see true potential of you, you can see you don't know a concept of friends. You don't know a concept of loyalty bro. You get me a shot for them. I'm going to have to come and have to love my dog, because you never show me none of love yet, dog.
As me tell you, Willie, me tell you, Hold on, me tell you, please. Don't me tell you, say, I feel calm and take you off, just hold it like a G.
What do you mean? I'm my calm,
yeah, me tell you, say, anything we want to do, I feel time now to hold your calm, I have to just take it like a G.
Yeah, me hold it like a G. I mean, I hold it. You get me a chance to tell me I hold it. I'm holding it. You get me a chance to tell you. Nothing more can, nothing more to can do that hurt me, brother. None of can do nothing to me in a youth. I don't know the billion of can hurt me no more, that. You good just the same, man.
But what me I say? See? I mean, I know, me come soon is still in the boat. But just not like when the people bring me down, dog, and I go like say, me I worse and them thing, dog. Cause me I tell you the truth in front of face, Willie. Honestly speaking, for me I David man, no, I for me ever they do a man, I get so much bring down, hard, I tell you, people bring me down hard, dog.
I'm a woman, I mean, I feel like I'm a lover, dog.
People bring me down hard, dog, hard.
Yeah, I'm a woman, dog.
Be a disrespect, dog. Bring hard, bring down me get dog. So hard. And then you make me, Willie, you make me not talk long time and cuss, because I say you don't like me cuss, because I not take disrespect, Alright, people bring me down hard, Parry. People bring me down hard, Parry. If people Chevy a cuss and I say, oh, when me call her, cause me call her, Me call her, cause me I say, if me no say, well, I no unfollow me, mood or whatever, she I say, you have a problem with me, you have a problem with D0Ne, you have a problem with B, and this and that, we never say nothing bad boy, I share. Me say, me never share, me say to Butter, Butter, oh, Shavy and me, cause they say, Willie, I didn't brother, nobody not ask about Willie, I nothing, dog. John, no, dog, no deal with the other way, that me say, no. Me not busy with nothing, me not say nothing, what does that me say, dog. Dog, that alone, me say, me never say nothing about the people, them, dog. A world, dog, get the place, see me, I put me on the place, so, dog. And me did it so far, and father put me on the place, and me did it so far, and me did it. And me alone did it, dog. Butter, when they come, me know say something wrong, because Butter used to come around me, and me say, Butter, stop, me call Butter, me say, Butter. And what me do now, make your dog come around me, say, nothing here, flu, whatever, me leave you, and me see Butter now use me, nothing. And Butter is a man when they jump around for me and everything, dog.
Everybody
But the reason why butter look like butter this stab, cause you butter go tell about the man when me say, but that never know. Me never vex if you tell them back that. Because me did mean it. Me just never want to call them and say it to them because, you know, me talk aggressive. I mean, I want to go say nothing to nobody and then when me go say it now, me and them go kick off. You see me? Cause first thing she go say, I know them put it there. I know nobody put you away there. None of we no put you away there. You know, none of we no obligated to you. Who feel like we loyal, I go loyal. Cause we not obligated to you. Nobody no put it nowhere. Nobody not obligated to nobody. So me just listen when people are talk, dog. So me I say to myself, say, if me does know you, hand them, nah look for you. Me just a pray in my mind and say, blood clot, I wouldn't have do me. You see me?
So people, alright, that's how we are going to cut that. It's alright, that's how everything start, my people. Then World click him live and him have this for say. You see it? But it seems like see a long time the ex-gang member them a pre-Willie cause of some mess up things we had over the years. You know what I mean? Or over the period of time. You see it? And World have some things for say like Willie kinda envy him. You know what I mean? So make we listen to the Alabalo. I say go? Alabalo. Make we listen to it, you know, my people.
I'm here. Boy, I'm here. Willie, if more you come on road, brother, make man beat up and my mother dead life youth. I swear, bro. You're ungrateful, brother. Me deal with you like you're my pitney. Me deal with you like my pitney. Enough time more and go my bed, go sleep. And you don't have nowhere me up with your youth. One time I go in on my BMW, stink of you. Pussy. Hey boy, will you see a sink me behind my back in a boy? Much people in a team best to tell me business, boy, Willie. I never tell nobody in a ex-gang yet because me don't want to get corrupt. Me never tell nobody in a ex-gang yet. Alright then. What do you Willie go to jail? Me sure you say the pussy they sink himself. What do you Willie go to jail? We tell Amber say he married Willie. 2 days later a man call Amber and this Amber. Who going to get married Willie now?
So Willie never straight up
thing me do for you, dog.
Think so Willie did
Stop
straight,
it, bro.
man.
Just a while ago. Just a while ago. When you say me never do nothing yet for upon the live. Look. Just a while ago. When you say, look no man. Look when my woman text me. Wow, you never do nothing for him yet. Him all I say you never do nothing for him yet. Him, oh God. See him some woman text me. Sometimes if me listen, Yannick can throw you out of my bum buckler garage because Yannick tell me say you envy me. Because you mash up my things and you never say sorry. You mash up everything when me have and you never say sorry, youth. And my woman always tell me say you envy me, dog. That me I tell you, you want to look a pussy. Remember me tell you no, dog. A X6 Kazi. When me give out a X6, bro. Come say, Willie, yo, you know, bro, me give out a car for 2 days. And me see a man deal with the car. Me give Willie blood clap BMW for 1 day, man, tear off the light. Then he come back. And the man even say sorry. Everybody Willie talk to. Yo, me tell you what Willie do. Willie call Mika and chat Chevy. And then beg Mika bills. Then he call Chevy, chat Mika, then beg Chevy a bills. Then you know what I do? Call somebody else in an ex-gang, stir up an argument, beg them a bills. Then he turn on in live, play sad music, like nothing doing. Buy your big man, go pay your bum buckler rent for yourself. You there you tell people, boy, you got to your face. You, bro, Willie take this girl from way up a foreign. Nobody don't know, bro. Listen, man. Willie.
Alright, people, if you don't understand the word I say about take the girl from foreign, you see people with America, you say if you're there Florida, them don't consider Florida foreign. You see me I say, but when you're up north, you know, like New York and them states there, where, you know, snowfall, from snow no fall away there, them don't consider that foreign, the Jamaicans them. You see me? I saw them do it. But people, Jano, Willie, me never know see I saw him stay. And pan 11, me never know say Willie not no papers for foreign.
Over foreign, bro. The girl come down here. You and the girl live in a house, you meet Daima. You know go tell the girl say, Daima come up, she have to move out that girl one place. You go like you're king of Bumbuckler England. Who is you, Willie? No, hold on now. The girl come here now. Take out house in her name. Take out everything in her name. And you know, I tell the girl say, she have to come out her house because Daima come up. The girl now come up, you take up yourself, go beat the girl with gun.
Jaja. Wrong, my dog.
You take up yourself, go beat the girl with gun.
And him
The
just
girl
straight.
coming up. Yo, me not tell no joke, bro. The girl come here. Find work. Find the place, get Willie. And she and Willie. That's why God has strike your bumbo clot. You want a wicked pussy hole. You see thing when you're calmer. You see a thing when you're calmer, youth. Stop. I'm here, stop.
I'm here.
You see a thing when you're calmer. You's a wicked bumbo clot boy. But me tell you why boy do. With butter you know. Me tell you why boy do. The boy take the girl from upper blood clot, New York, Connecticut. The girl come down here. Him and the girl live good. Tiffy. You know how some girl would have glad to say, they see hero. I roll with hero. Dog, the girl is so fucking quiet. When me ask the girl, say, you want to come buy food? The girl say, no, I'm tired. She not talk. She not do nothing. You know what Willie do? Meet Diamond now. Because me and Diamond have nothing. I'm just telling you a story. He meet Diamond now. Love of Diamond. Go over a girl house and tell that girl, say, Diamond coming up. The girl, Diamond, she have to move. Even, what I know? I'm here. Stop. Even when Diamond tell Willie, say, to leave the girl alone because she will get Airbnb. Willie said no. He want Diamond house. Me I tell you, what I know, people?
Before you reach your saying, remember saying,
Pretty brown and suck your mother and come off a butter life. I say if I the film with a black you, suck your mother.
Yeah, the black.
I like
The
calling
black,
up
the
people.
one.
Me I tell you, when over there I talk, I talk about oh God, me talk what Gwaan. Will you sink me? I come talk about me do nothing, me never do nothing for him. If I go like a none winner, I send him go to jail. When Willie first got blood clot jail, Chevy start count up money. Chevy start count up money. I want him to you. I mean there you start bum buckle cry for you. People don't know why me stop the things, see Willie. Yo, me tell you that when me stop the things, see Willie, bro.
When he tell us it's in birth paper and his sister, remember I come and tell them family, I want to talk to his sister, you know.
Bro, hold on, man. Willie go over a girl yard, bro. And tell the girl say she have to come out of the house because Diamond come up. The girl left for 2 days. And then the girl come back and say, like the girl I say, my place. Willie, I want wicked pussy soul, man. Then you come and you go like you want to come talk about you know everything about me. What you know about me, Willie? What you know about me? You think you could have done a road and chats about me, batty boy? I'm grateful. You get up every day and see me run in my blood clot backyard. When you get up and run too. Why do you two ungrateful youth and sing people, bro?
Yeah, no.
Boy, will you see you? My mommy pay your lawyer fee in a youth. And me there I wait back for you back from the lawyer to pay your next lawyer fee in a youth. And he just say me not do nothing for him.
I never know say Willie on the papers a blouse and skirt. I have gone in a foreign. You mad?
Diamond feel it too. Diamond feel it too. Enough time Diamond call Chris Five and cuss Chris Fives. Because you're the jailer still act like you're a team dog. But Diamond don't want to talk. Diamond feel it too. Because enough time you're the jail and disrespect Diamond too. You are Diamond feel it too. But Diamond so real. Diamond want to act like she a superwoman. Enough time you're the jail and disrespect Diamond too. I told Diamond just a help out here and you want to come around. That me I tell you. You go like. You see them people are youth. You see lazy people. I saw them pray, bro. Lazy people, I saw them pray, bro.
So, Willie that jail after Diamond do all we should do for him, the dog still at this Diamond. Boy, although them say there's 2 sides to every story still, we just listen to that side of my people. You know what I mean? We are going to listen to Diamond side and some of Willie, I go tell film side whenever I jump out. You see me? So I can listen to some more what real dog have to say.
We stop sinking people them around on the brother. I'm telling you, look how we take care of you.
It's not yours.
Look how they take care of you, bro. Look how X can take care of you, Willie. Me bumbo clot. And Diamond can't come and say I like this. When me attack, Diamond cannot come and say I like, bro. Look how me take care of Willie. Look how me take care of Willie, bro. Willie go up on honor and life, go say me I ain't God. You'd have dead for me. So all today you'd have killed me. You see how people, you see how people stay? You go up on honor and life and say me you're God. You that dead for me. And 2 months later you want to kill me.
Tell your people.
Me tell you, bro,
Yeah,
people use mouth. You see mouth? Mouth
don't
is a
listen
thing.
to them.
2 months ago, me and your God. Oh, me I tell you that.
Yeah, I know.
It just fucked up, bro.
Why? Me don't know say
That's why
so
I
many
tell
space
next gang, you know. That's why I telling you, you know. I start make people suffer, bro. Make them suffer, bro. I be real with them, bro. Sometimes I wonder, bro. I wonder if me a robot sometimes. Yeah, man. Sometimes I feel wonder me a robot, bro. And all people are dealing with me, bro. Big man,
So most of that gift of them
but then I shop.
people.
We put minutes on Chris Vice's phone. So Willie can talk to. So Chris Vibe can answer his phone. And when we did it, Chris Vibe, the man said, who are you did it? Chris Vibe said, Willie said, who are you did it? The man said, no, say I'm your father. You know, Willie said, after me just put money for your phone, the man said, call me, baby. Me just pay for Willie lawyer. Reach out to his shop and put 20 up on the phone. So Chris Vibes can answer it. And the man asked Chris Vibes, who and Chris Vibes did it? And Chris Vibes said, no, I'm your father. The man said, call me, babes. The man don't even say, yo, me talk to father. You tell me about me put her towards your mother and then sit there. Hey, boy, really go. You know, tell lie for your sister, boy.
It look like say that get locked up and get bitter. You see me I say? It look like say because him lock up, him expect everybody life to stop because him get locked up. You understand? And that can't happen. You see it? Because everybody have them own life to live. You know what I mean? You make a stupid decision and you go pay the penalty. You have to just wait it out and them do what them can do while you just go and hold the faith. You know what I mean? But it look to me like say a long time certain vibes are going and premiums are going. You see me? Because them would just get up one day and say, yo, Willie, this and Willie that. You know what I mean? It look like say look a discussion are going here and there. And them are make him feel him consequences. You see me I say them say you know fi kick a man when him down. But some people say at the best time fi kick him.
Situation. Bro, you saw me the homeless, bro. I hold me homelessness, you know. And try to figure out a way. I know people don't know how to figure out a way by themselves, brother. You see me? You have to just figure out a way, bro.
Right, dog, so you did it for me too, you know.
Boy, I tell you. Dog, you see people, dog. Alright, look at this. Some people,
Come here, make sure I mess people.
they have to just stay by themselves. You know what time? Me sit down and I beg Willie, dog. You know what time me sit down and I beg Willie? Willie never have to reach through none of this situation here. Willie could have better than the whole of we right, that's a bro. Me sit down and I beg Willie, bro. But you see Willie want to be a gallus. He want to run up and down. But you see when you're a gallus, you have to have a second option. You see when you live with a girl in the yard, you have to plan for when the woman them put you up, bro. Me talk to Willie. Me talk to Willie day, me talk to Willie night. Envy, dog. I think what they call envy, bro. That's why I'm going to stop tell people my business in a youth. I stop tell people my business, because them business I'm telling you just cripple you to bumbo clot. Boy. Sometimes I have to sit down and wonder to myself how people do it, yeah, bro.
Maybe Willie I expect more from them and through them now and push him out, push out the effort, him get frustrated
People that's
and
different.
start doing what do. Is it? Look like say the dog feel like say them could have do more for him. You know what I mean? But
Willie could have achieved so much more. Because on the day and see what Willie can do on TikTok. And Willie just swipe his screen, so when he make 1 2 bills. When you come up and buy woman ticket, flying woman, and when you start do, Willie just busy about fuck, bro. Fuck. Me have a family.
yeah, no.
I want to tell you. The last time what day, I tell you that I want Willie pre me to, bro. I'm tell you what Willie pre me to, dog. Willie come like in the one, put him in my house for there. And that Willie the want, you know. Willie me a change man, bro. Me not bring no money in up for my family about buckler again.
True.
Me not a big man. See him like come here dance and you can run up and down too. I want to know. The last time I bring a bag of money in my house and I left from my back. When you fuck off and she a suck on off. And then a young girl me there with a big man my bum buckler there with. So when time I not bring in my place, you come plug off in my place and you can't plug off in my place again and you feel away, bro. You come talk about you can't talk and you know everything about me. Will you know nothing about me pussy? You only know where me live. Come see a licky. That me I tell a boy. Every day my sister tell me boy, you know. Every day Kim tell me boy about Kim, Willie. Every day Kim tell me for run away because you envy me boy. I'm sit down and I pray. I'm say Kim, me I watch him now. I want to look a pussy all, bro.
Boy, you learn from your mistake, you see what I say? And real dog say, when him used to have him bridging them there, you hear what them do, them walk off him woman. You see what I say? Them go on with all different type of things. So, him now carry no man pan him woman, and him woman mother living at the house too. You see what I say? It's a family life, the man I pray. The man, them have to get them priorities straight, them in a foreign, and like say a Jamaica them there. You know what I mean? Me never know say Willie not have no papers to foreign because here them a say them not talk it yet. I think so. Say him fi marry that woman, you know what I mean, fi get sort out. So me never know say him not straight in a foreign. And him dep on the net every day and meet this bag of girl and ray. See me if I did live with a girl. You see me I say, him could have married that the girl there and settle down, but yo, you see when you want to become a girl, you see you have to have something to fall back on. You know what I mean? You can't be a girl and you don't have nothing for yourself. What about when that woman move her foot? What go happen to you? You see me? Especially in a foreign, you have to get your priorities straight. Even working people homeless at times. So you will not work. You see me I say, what go happen to you? You see me? So I could list some more people.
All of this. This remind come like what my father said. Me a busy rise and buy 2X5. High time, take them on the van time. And this cars it to bomb buckler. I cars it. Busy above all of me said.
Yeah.
Me am busy rise and buy 2X5. Joy boys. Who no man two cars.
No, he's a bad man and some boy too kind of.
I'm with him. Rush. See my hand. I start power with him. I don't know when I can with him. You can't get me for long. You can't get me for vex long, Willie.
Yeah.
You can't get me for vex long.
Say look to me.
Road, you bury me. Yo, what like... me sister? Yo, what me sister the man? When me sister the man beg D0Ne to eat to the line. I'm having. You're a man. You're the man to D0Ne, not D0Ne's Dave. Hello? Like you're a blood clot Adele. You know? Hello?
Hello.
You're D0Ne.
It's me.
You're D0Ne. What is it, Willie? You know me I got you one little something on my water here. Yeah, when me I really something in a Jenny. Yeah. It's like cold bumper take me because what is $80? Machine! What is $80, bro?
Not for you.
What is $80? You tell D0Ne say you want $80 to buy an Air Force to go promote my event. Two bumbo clock work this man, I make man look away around here, bro.
For real. You have to up the standard, bro.
Like your blood clot on them. But hello?
You have to up the standard.
No,
somebody like D0Ne.
Oh, you notice? From what dear dog, no enemy not sink, no enemy, a friend a sing friend. You don't
They
notice?
got 5 bills, man.
Just notice from the body, bro. A friend a sing friend. And the enemy them just watch a sink with blood clot self.
Dog say hello. John, to me, Willie feel entitled to real dog things. That me feel like. Him feel entitled. You know what I mean? And him watch a real dog a do. You see me and feel like say boy, real dog for do things for him.
Look here upon what there, man. Him man at the pan house, him man, if he come out and go pan house arrest. A Chevy a make call. If you put your place. Chevy a beg Amber make him come over there. Chevy call Amber again and say, Amber married Willie, please. And the woman say him a do it. A Chevy. And you call Chris Vibes, had Amber to your phone and tell Amber say because suck out her mother because you're going to say it plain. I'm going to be saying none of us vex with me. You tell Amber say you suck out her mother because you make your woman feel away. And Amber say, oh, you say Diamond. Me have talk everything because you make we look like we are pussy and we out here not help you. You call Chris Vibes for Amber and you tell Amber say because suck out her mother because you make Diamond feel away because Amber said he must stick beside you as your baby father. Baby mother. You don't know blood clot one. Big man taking up people. Like, no, people on the slung that comment and not laugh, dog. This is not fun.
A while ago when the dog said, me don't know a blood clot what. Me don't know if you never woke up this man up on TikTok, Uncle Bumbo Clot. Real dog sound like him just a while ago. If you don't want to rewind and listen to him when he say, me don't know a blood clot what. He sound just like Uncle Bumbo Clot.
It's not funny, dog. I'm always telling the people in I scream, say, bro, this, bro, uno there behind the scream, dog, I know I laugh, dog. Uno no war Gwaan, bro. Uno no war Gwaan, bro. We out here, dog, and we are trying to put in work for him man come out, bro. And him man go like, dog, him man go like we out here, we now. Yo, dog, I can't even know, bro. Big man, dog. Amber call back Chevy. I say, Chevy, I'm not married into Willie. I'm not help him because Willie call me and tell me to suck out my mother because Diamond feel away. And I tell Chevy? No. Thank you. So, if you out here, I look somebody for married, I look place to go. But you behind me back, you call the girl, I tell the girl disrespect things. Yeah, Amber not there, bro. Oh, I'm here, Willie. You can't talk about you know about me. What you know about me? Everybody knows my sister lesbian. Everybody knows they give me place. Everybody knows my blood clot is homeless. Everybody knows this about me. Everybody knows that Tina fuck for me. Everybody knows that Tina in a close friend a suck body. Everybody knows this about blood clot about me.
That's what Tina
so everybody for blood clot talk, I carry them. And blood clot Ginny, and Meek, and blood clot baby mother over here. So always blood clot give me. You just what you talk about. You can't talk about, oh, he's not blessed. And people them will give him things blessed. You're so dumb. You're fucking dumb.
I them think that Tina go on with people. Chia, no star. Boy, Tina nice, but Tina ways they not nice at all. How them sitting there with you. And that's why you have to really choose the type of girl where you deal with, you know. You know what I mean? Because you look somebody to represent you. You know what I mean? I not go do certain things on road because at the end of the day, them are going to say, you're a woman. You see it? Boy, I'm glad the dog overcome that because I know nice sitting for no say a woman I do certain things in a virgin. You know what I mean? Dog elevate and reach to a different level, you know, still. Jaja.
Bro. Stop it, bro. Stop it. Dog, you say me listen to people, bro. Bro, you say me listen to people, bro. Dog. The lady out of my shop. And Chevy me tell this too. Because Chevy me call and tell everything. The lady when moved front of my shop when named Steph. She don't know me from nowhere. Chris Vibes was there. The lady called me. The lady said, you see, that friend envy you of everything. He's the first one to get loud. He's the first one to tear on your business. And I always tell him to calm. You don't know, say, boom. The next day, me and Willie jump down here, New York. And me and Willie did it. And my sister them over their house. I we left to Heineken buckle in front. Say landlord live over here, so because I don't know some place in New York, then landlord live side of them. Because they probably buy 2 or 3 houses on the same block. Say landlord come out and the landlord I wonder who is me and this man on the veranda drink Heineken because he never seen me before. Willie jump up. Move from front of me, Dan. My sister come out and say, hey boy, you think you have a blood clot homeless out of this? I'm a landlord.
Hey, a while ago, I'm here frightened.
My sister say, oi, talk to your friend, you know. Talk to your friend, you know. Same, so my sister go out with me. My little sister, you know. My sister say, talk to your friend, you know. This is not how we do things over here, so, you know. You have this muscle man attitude. We don't need this, dog. God bless me so much right now. Because we left off of them niggas. Muscle man. Brother, just low off of them things, bro. I always telling you, bro. And you ask them, act like, Willie. And Diamond, me not this year, Diamond. Willie, you know Diamond for 3 blood clot month. He want to help for me, Willie. I could have got blood clot. I could have got 5 years on jacket of blood clot. Jamaica one for me. Oh, Tada.
Hey, a while ago in the Real Dog shot, I'm here frightened. Him thinks, say, boy, him Real Dog did I talk to. Ja.
Me say, I catch Lori. Here, Lori, to me. Babes! World. Hold on. I'm about to send Willie the money to open the restaurant. Me say, what? I said, what
We are run a scam to blood
Yes,
clot.
Willie say he can cook and he find a place. I said, what y'all said to me, say? So, I say, Lori. You see, if Willie now open this blood clot restaurant and me I go get sink, you know. She said, well, I said, Lori, figure out what you do, you know. So, them thing there, he just a build up in him, bro. He just a build up in him, dog. He just a build up. Because, me find my people, them, bro. And you just want to live off of my people, them, so.
Ja, no, for real, man. Hey, people, me not lie, no. Me see enough of who run Real Dog still, you know. Oh, them a try to get things from him gifters them, you know. One of the time I see Willie over him yard, you know. You see me, and like one of him gifter upon him live, it look like say Willie I beg the gifter and Real Dog did it, so him no want Real Dog no. So as Real Dog go in at the house, you know, Willie I said to the gifter, say him gone. Ray. You see me? We don't find no own people, no can try to, you know what I mean, drag off of the same tree or take off of the same tree where him a get from. One day, it a go done. We have to go find for no own gifters them. You see it, and stop pressure man people them.
This is it come like you envy me all this time for real, bro.
Somebody say, boy. Oh, you don't send me money when lunch not there.
Them have to find for them own people them, Virgin. You can't try to live off of the dog people them. You know what I mean? Just because the people them kind and them a give him. You know what I mean?
Willie could have been come out jail. Tell Willie if he give me 2 weeks. Come from jail. Me tell Willie if he give me 2 weeks. Me beg Willie, but I did it. Yanni did it, me say, butter, beg you. Willie beg you 2 weeks. Because if the lawyer say 15K, me a dance 1 week on TikTok. So Willie come around. If the lawyer say 15,000, me a dance whole time on TikTok. So Willie come around. And that's not no joke, bro.
But me and Shay Willie on the phone there when you say give up, you know.
To your dog.
Pay for them, you know.
I will still go find lawyer.
Expensive lawyer.
You might go on, bro.
Why people, you see on the liar part?
Willie attack Diamond at you, I say, yo. Focus on Mika. Like I am Mika everything. Left father out of this car. Father I really you to you. But guess what? You put in a diamond head so we never do nothing for you.
Why?
You put in a diamond head so none of we now do nothing for you because you want to capture diamond now. Like how you capture this little girl from Connecticut and make she come down here, get the place, and now you want to throw her out because you want diamond come. So here what go on now. You corrupt diamond against we for you capture diamond. So you tell diamond all these things.
Tell diamond say we say.
And tell diamond say we say. Because of that you do.
Yeah, I know star.
Let me stop do that, bro.
Everybody have it with Willie people. Them have it with him. You know what I mean? Them have it up to them neck with Willie. Them done with him
Diamond
people.
say, we know so we don't like her. Diamond, stop that, bro. Stop it, dog.
Diamond is all about Willie still, you know, people. We not like
Me sit down. I'm not never wrong, you know. Feel like, you see Diamond and Chris Vibes, they hold some type of conversation, you know. I don't want to get brindled, you know. Only God, only my mother can come out of the grave and tell me say that now. Remember, I'm telling you that. Come and say something to Chris Vibes. And Diamond hear back. And say to Butter. And Chris Vibes think of Butter tell me and call me. You see, you fucker, you. Me have, you see camera in my shop in them hole? You see camera in my blood clot shop in them hole? I looking at my shop, Chris Vibe. I looking at my shop. A six blood clot camera in my shop. The camera in my shop in them hole. He record every blood clot thing. Remember me telling you that. You see you Chevy? Chevy make me start watch my camera every day. She said, oh, you feel have business and I watch your blood clot camera. So you know what I start do every evening? I check my camera and watch my video them. And I just light up my spliff, check my camera them. I know, bro. I know, bro. Because I show Chris Vice in the morning, Chris Vice think of Butter tell me. Butter never Butter tell me. Me I tell her, bro.
Why people everything reveal. You see me? Willie are going with some sneaky things. And it look like the people them choose to cut him off when him need them the most. You see me? I say because Diamond I go come talk some things, so everything I go just add up. You know what I mean? Some of the things them a real dog I say, and you see the liar part, that Diamond go come talk about the liar part. You see me? So as me I say, it look like say Willie been doing some shady things and them just jap him company. No. When him really, you know what I mean, need them in a way. You see me I say, but sometimes you spread your belly have to lay down in it here, man. You see me I say, so make you watch some more. Why people, the ex-gang them, is like them never witness up close and personal.
So don't act like Diamond was the only one was there for you. Everybody in this, we don't know probably I know everybody who put money. But remember, I was here putting money to pay your lawyer, dog. So don't come about, oh, none of we never do nothing for your dog. Stop it, bro.
Bye-bye.
How much time you have? Oh, bye-bye. I tell you.
Bye. Nice to meet you.
We are family, bro. If you have something to say, bro, you shout where we say it. It needs to have it happen, bro.
Why? Jano, so them come witness world dog a cuss people.
Yo, it's people.
Jano star. Why?
Dog, you said in night, Dog, you see night, me dey on the live dog and me ask Willie about the car. And Willie say fuck the car, make that go to waste. You know business with it. And me look to myself. And me say my Zai, I take bus go to school. And Akila mother no have no car if you come look for me sometime with Akila. She have to wait. And me there take care of big man. Help them get 2 cars. And my baby mother them can't come bring my youth come look for me anytime. It's like me is a workless man out there, so a biller man to come tear me down. You see me, Jenny? So you see night when me give Willie the bum buckle of money, we go get the car, the BMW. I true me know say I envy butter, you know, because I give butter X6. So I say, Willie, go look a car. He saying, give up. I say, Willie, go look a car. Me give you the money. Willie, go look a car. Me give you the money. You understand? Go and he get the car. And he send me, I'm sending him money. 2 days later, Willie come back. Because him and the girl have got through it now. So 2 days later, he come back. 3 days. I say, Willie, where you car there? No, I'm not give a fuck about the car there, no. Fuck the car there, no, dog. A bigger thing me a pray, no. Willie, I just give you money to get the car 3 days ago. You understand? And my son, I take bus go blood class school. And my blood clot baby mother Akila can't come bring my picnic come look for me whenever she feel like she have to wait till mother left work or wait till her auntie. Them things that make me get corrupt inside Ginny. Ginny means a man, me and a boy, brother. If me a help a friend, me a help a friend. But when me realize a friend now do nothing dog and them things over here when me could have been a do dog, it go and stir up in my mind. You see me, Ginny? And that stir up in my mind, say dog, you know say the youth bro, oh me fi out of help the dog and me 2 other pitting them. I take bus and them things they go to school. And the mother them have driver's license. What me I do? And that me I say to myself, you know.
Appreciate what him a do for him.
And that me I say to myself, I mean help this man, bro. And the man come on and talk like me never help him yet, bro. When Willie pull up in the blood clot BMW dog, about 2 weeks later I go up on Onela show. And what Willie say? Me ain't God. Me at this. Me at that. Me beg Willie dog, me say Willie, come in, dog.
I'm here.
Dog, enough time. Alright. Enough time over here talk about say some man a gallus. I can't get them papers. You know so when the life end, Willie vex with me.
John, them say if you fling a stone in a hog pen, the one we ball out, I emit lick. You know what I mean? And people, it look like say Willie feel entitled to a real dog have, and nobody no get more from a real dog than him. You understand? And it can't go so. If you have a friend, and that's why there's enough artists, and that's why enough of them pop down in a life, you know, and not achieve much, you know. And them no buy no land and no house and them something the most of the time, cause you see when the artist I do him thing, you as him friend around him, you have to find something do to contribute to him and to fend for yourself. You can't depend upon the artist. The youth when him fet you up, him say when him just bust and all of him friend them around him and him a buy this and him a buy that. Them time they are the jeans when him Robin jeans used to wear. And the man say, I don't remember how much him say was for it. But when him go in a store, him have to buy for himself and buy for everybody around him. And when him look, him a say, no man, him can't spend so much pan him entourage them, him have to drop some of them. Because them not contribute nothing to him. So, like World Dog, you know, you run World Dog, you have to look at opportunity. You understand? Try do something. And the dog can help you out same way. You know what I mean? But try for your own self. Don't depend on him right through and then feel disappointed when you know get certain things. What for him, what for you. And you can't feel entitled to our next man things. All when you grew up with him. You know what I mean? Come on, man.
Enough time over here talk about say some man a gallus. I can't get them papers. You know so when the life end, Willie vex with me. And none of them never know that.
Sure, I know that.
If he have take up his stuff and left. Because he feel like him me a throw what pan. Sometime. I'm still I'm a reason with him now. And when Willie know, and when Willie got jail, I know say Willie envy me wickedest way, you know, bro. I say, Willie, Faith didn't call me and say, Willie, papers there for Willie getting license. Me show Willie. Willie say he's selling his sister go to Jamaica and his sister is a wicked girl and his sister na bring up his birth paper. When Willie got jail, me call his sister have win birth paper over there. Willie have appointment to go get his license and not deal with his license. Every morning Willie get him fly out girl and this. Now Willie can chat to me, bro.
And
me try to show you say he's a man.
A foreign.
Me try to show Willie. Me pay me rent to make Willie sick. Me carry Willie go do Willie for business to make Willie sick. And every time you see my business, you call and chat my business, brother. And you claim to me you're a friend, dog. And then you go up on live this man and talk like, Willie, you know say if you did the front of me, I'm boxing in your face, pussy. That me I tell you, boy. Cause you nobody like me, no time but boy. I tough up yourself and think bad boy like a bad Willie a pussy. You know, see feeling this year, you see feeling a party you could have done. You see feeling that you run out of party, Willie. You're not bad boy.
Yeah, no star, boy, people.
He look everybody, girl. You know why Sidestepper stop dealing with Willie? The man make a party. We have a butter. Stepper bring in woman where live in a house with. And the man did it and DM Stepper woman. Stepper said, he might left and go for drinks. Turn up, Ginny. Turn up, Ginny. See, William? Oh, I'm saying, Mama, me favor them man, they are clown. As Stepper come back with the drinks up. See, Mama, you're a Stepper, yes. See, Stepper, yeah. Listen, me, I wait for Stepper gun, but him pussy will look as if you ever try that with Yannick, you know. Shoot with him about 7 times in them blood clot. See, Mama, you come, Mama, afraid, you know. Come and see Mama tell me, Stepper, you know. I'm show you what's going on. I talk to him at how much time. Hold on there again. In baby mother, was 7 months pregnant. Did it? Denisha did your wine. See, man? Denisha. Denisha said, ease yourself, Willie, me and your baby mother are friends, she in her car. Dog, Amber feels so fucked up. And me come over there, because she a go like she a blood clot peacemaker. Your baby mother there, dog, with her friend, her best friend, we are carry on her, bro. And you did it. And you did it under mama. And then Denisha say, easy, Willie. You're not style of running with. And then she go tell Amber, I told her, and I sit down and I talk to him, man. I say, oh, you feel do them thing, bro. One day I saw her laugh like a joke, bro. I'm serious. I'm ears me I talk to Willie, bro. But you know.
Why, Willie?
You know what my sister say?
You dig a hole for
Willie
yourself,
feel like he have a up on you. Because he did put up you at a time where you did need it.
Him feel entitled
that's why
to
I call
where
Faitlin a couple months ago. I said, Faitlin, I will give me a place, are you? She said, I know you're from Trulani. I know your mother from Trulani. The two of we come from Trulani. I give you a place out of kindness and my heart. You understand? I'm still come over here and big him up like he give me a place, bro. May I tell you?
People, that's why you have to be careful, yeah, man.
Dog, there are people wicked in the youth. Dog, I could have never wicked so to cabby, dog. For cabby do for me in a life, bro. And sometimes I vex with Chevy, dog. I can't vex with Chevy for long. Because I love Chevy in a real heart, bro. Although sometimes I disagree with Chevy and vex with her, I cannot do it for long. Because I love her, I have in my heart for Chevy, dog. It's real, dog, you know, fake, bro. I tell you, bro. And I can't say that front of her, bro. Even if I vex with her sometime, bro. I can't vex with her for long, bro. Because I love Chevy for real. I tell you, bro. Eh? Yeah. I'm Tony, dog. One night I tell you, yo, dog. Cabby, you made this happen for me, you know, bro. You are part of this, Cabby. You are part of the car there, you are part of the car there. Everyone of them carry them, dog. You are part of when I live yourself and pay my rent, bro. Comfortable, Cabby, I want to you. You are part of that, bro. I want to you, Cabby. That's why every day I have to tell you thank you, bro. I appreciate you. And I love you, Cabby. I want to you, dog.
I want thing you see where him are gonna be real people. Yes, so that me notice with him is a youth where him a go be real. You understand? Right in front of him a go be real. Him not go play like, you know, him a go be real. Him a go be him authentic true self. You see it? And that's why him and enough people fall out because him a go make you know you're wrong. You know what I mean? And him a go talk and you may go feel like say boy him a diss you or him a expose you or whatever. But him a go talk. But one thing though, real dog a whole fridge. You can't tell him nothing. Because at the end of the day, him a go call your name. All when you say, yo, me a pinch you this thing, don't tell nobody. There go come a time when him a go call your name. So expect that. You see me? But boy, Willie, me no know say I saw Willie stay. I mean know say Willie not no papers. I must see 2 youth him getting a foreign. You see me I say? And him there with mad girls. A lot of girls where him could have put in him thing with. And the dog a ugly man a ugly a foreign. And when him get locked up still in the ball, you know, and sitting upon the internet a float around with him a ball. So him get locked up and him lose him house and you know what I mean, this and that. Come on. Boy people. You see, if you get the opportunity to go foreign, you have to make use of it. You have to know say nobody feel like say foreign a better rose. You know what I mean? A lot of people that are Jamaica and feel like say boy when them go foreign and eat that. No, the work just start when you reach. If you're not on the papers, you have to sort that out. You don't have no time for ends off and idle. No time again. Because you have a lot of things where you have to do in a foreign to set up yourself, you know what I mean? Because foreign not easy. A lot of people say foreign not easy, rough over here, and people not understand. You know what I mean? Me want to say sorry to everybody. A foreign, when me did think say boy, that foreign are no business but we are Jamaica because them not send this and them not send that come give it. Me never know say I saw it work over there. You know what I mean? Someone apologize to them. You see it because bills would have kill your foreign. Some people them make it true and them can help them people still, you know. You know what I mean? But you can't tell a person what to do because them see what them go through. You know what I mean? And if them want to keep them blessing for themselves or for them business that. You know what I mean? Willie could have sorted out himself from long time for real. Because me check say the dog did straight. The dog have machine a pose up with a foreign and them way there. Me did check say him good him straight. You know say the dog, boy. Hope say everything work out for him and him learn from him mistake, you know what I mean? But where them hold him for, people say are rough things. You know what I mean? A miracle for him stay a foreign. But make we hear what go on because him not straight from morning. You know what I mean? So it a go hard for him.
Although you see me buy 100,000 a car, how much 1,000 a car? Cabby, you never come and never stop shoot for me, dog. I love you, bro. Never stop shoot for me, bro. Oh, I'm tear, dog.
Jah know people.
Yeah, no, dog. There, bro. I wonder, dog. Bro, me tell dog, me say Willie. Faithlin call about a year and a half ago, you know, remember, you know, dog. And I say me a chatty business, you know. Faithlin say, here, me have a Airbnb and more and this youth come and run, you know. And I sit down and I say, Willie, they are homeless. And you a big house and I want to go in night. Well, I'm not good, you know, because... I say, Willie, go over there, go relax yourself and just be a man. Take care of your house. Look how Faithlin take care of you, bro. You have car for drive, big split. You don't want them sitting there, you want them in the street. Boom. Dog. You see when we got Panama City and Willie come out of the room with Diamond, I draw Willie to a side. Me, Willie, Butter and Joe. A reason. Me say, Willie, what you going to do with the girl back home? Swissly fan him off and say, you're an idiot. What me say?
Real
and
talk.
Joe say, Willie, what you really going to do? Hear me, good man. The girl understand, say, you know, you see like how you and Lori and Cabby them have joke. As such she feel, say, me and Diamond run joke. We just have do it for
At
media.
some point you have to man up.
He might tell the girl like, oh, say, him and Diamond do it for media, but him and Diamond there for real. So when the girl see say now, him and Diamond money at Panama City. And he come back with icky, a sudden blood clot function of my whole start. So no, he must sleep in a living room and the girl asleep in a room. Alright. Him and Diamond get intimate now. Bad mixture come up. Him and Diamond plan say now. Diamond come up for Valentine. Boom. Willie go tell the girl say you have to come out of the house because Diamond come up. No, we could have really come look for Yannick and say Yannick, come out of the house because you know so me can come in.
No man, Willie a top jealous man. Willie a top jealous to blood clot. What's up? Dog, be your face, you fuck.
Diamond not talking to because Diamond stick side of you. You lie to Diamond, Diamond send beer money to you, man, PayPal. You tell Diamond say girl or your sister, Diamond never talk. You tell the girl say Diamond your sister and Diamond send beer money to your woman, PayPal.
Bumbo clot.
Willie a top jealous thump in your face, boy. I take out my clip out of my gun, brother. Hey boy, Willie. Hey boy, you see you? Me say, the man, bro, the man up your dog. Dog, the man a sink. Yo, bro. Father, if I lie, me I tell, bro, Chevy talk, no man. No, you be calling, me beg you. Me beg you. And me say, bro, you know see Willie I lead to straight. Me call him, me say, Chevy put butter back on the truck. I lie, me I tell everybody who a fuck up, me say, Chevy talk to them. Me say, tell butter for low out of them business, they are going back on the truck. Me say, bro, Gwaan. Dog, you come like you want big old bumbo clot. Shit pit in a people way.
Yeah, no, Willie. You have to bear your consequences, them, my G. You spread
What
that
do you
bed
know?
there.
What do you know? When time it thing happening and me and butter over house, I look for a girl, you know. Is a dog come and make me know say nobody know go here say no. Police say nobody know knock on the door here. You want to see me jumping on my blood clot car and take off. Because she tell the police say people are come over there and they disturb her. So I will that me and go over there and try to get information to see what really are going. So when the man come out and say nobody know to go over here, so because she said she don't want nobody over here, I go in my blood clot car and I take a run off. And I left the premises. And I try find thing, feed dog come around and this get up and do me this morning.
You didn't look for rental. You didn't look for rental.
Me even talk about the rental. Why am I praying me again? Again, be glad. You know me carry me in an accident. If Ford is Swiss they drive, they take you in. You know how much they charge me for that day? $50. And they have a Ford for almost 2 weeks.
Ja.
Plus rental fee. Me I talk about the 50 for all, you know, plus rental fee. They call me, they say to get rental documents about the car. Here I know. Them say if you come down there, come sign paper say it's my gun. Me say me blood clot. No man.
No.
Me I tell you. Me say me fi come claim gun.
With serial number clean off of it.
You say when the blood clot you say to me.
Serial number file off and there's something there.
Me say claim gun.
Claim good. You bad.
Me say claim.
Man should be yourself in a file. Then send you back a yard.
They say get rental agreement. Me say listen to me. This rental is in Yannick's name. I'm gonna get the rental back to the rental place. But woman not have nothing to do with this. I'm gonna explain to Yannick, I'm gonna tell her sorry. If she dey on the live, she can't tell you no. I say Yannick, sorry if you put you to show them thing here. Yannick, if you go up a rental place to your record place, if you get authorized, if you get this, I'm gonna say sorry for my friend, I put you through. It's when you can't reach back to your place, we take care of it, take care of it done. The lawyer called me. World dog, cause he know me now. He wrong. Jimmy. Come in and claim the gun. Is that what you say? Come in and claim the gun. He said,
I don't know, yeah, no, put you in a trouble now, visit where you don't know nothing about.
they say, come in and claim. He said, claim. He said, hang up. I'm a call Joe. I'm a call Butter. I said, Butter, what you think, Aunt Joe? Joe say, claim your blood clot. What you have to sit down and read. I'm saying, somebody and somebody say, no, say, if you claim that gun right now, you have a problem for the gun, right? I never blood clot look back.
Yeah, no.
I never look back.
Yeah, see how them could have put the dog in a trouble.
Real, bro. You know if you be real with the people, them
Go
on and stop it, bro. When them say, "Lord, you have to pay," me send Chris Vine my money from PayPal. Me not hesitate, me not itch. And me and them sit down and talk, say we are wait for the next thing what happen. If you know what go on. You know say I Wille court date me there wait pan. Wille court date, all me know Wille a sink me. Chevy there on the phone and Ginny and Mika there in New York. And Wille never know say, we there on the phone. And Chevy go say, here am me Dan, here am me God. Wille say, I'm too think here are God, here are wish Dan.
Yeah, no.
When I move like here are God. And the same thing you say on Diamond Live just a while ago.
Yeah, go and lick down the
When I
man
move
thing.
like here are God.
Baby man something. When I man a general fee crew. Yeah, no star.
Will you mash up my black BMW? Mash it up. And I don't get dollar from it. Will you put me in a debt? Dog, you see me? Dog, you see when I did homeless, bro, and I go through my thing. I wish we did find out some people like me, bro. What did if it help me? You know, dog? Like come there and help some man, bro. Big man thing, dog. Willie birthday. Chevy called me. I said, oh, my brother looks so good. Brother young cute. And me, go get unreleased Jordan for me and blood clot Willie. Cause everything we do, he watch. Alright, let me show you something now. You see, me and him still here all day. And a dog come. And I not chat to him, he vex, you know. You see, if Butter come right now, and me and Butter talk one conversation, Father, me a dig off, you know. And he not hear Butter, you know. He gone. I saw him stay. I just, me attention. When they really love, man. Murder. Thomas, when they really love, man. No, big man, thing, we just a pray. No, because if, me I tell you, if Butter come here, so, I'm start talking to Butter, man, vex, bro. He vex. Me a dog, Jaja dog. He might like, he might push him out. He might say, me a push him out, for Butter forward in.
Over there in New Jersey and I try to push you out. They're at Florida. I put every day.
Boy, I don't know enough dog. People fuck up in a bro. People fuck up, bro. People fuck up, dog. I tell you, bro. But none of them can tell me say this wasn't planned till after bad mixture. I tell you, bro. Mika, they're for live with Diamond and all of them. I really call and big up everybody in the box and a big up Mika. Me book minutes for your phone, you call and everybody and a big me up. And guess what, Willie? Because I know you're probably on the phone for Diamond phone a year. As you get to a look 3 minutes, Diamond, Willie call Cassandra everybody else. And then you alone Willie a call, you know. Diamond call everybody. And when he call Cassandra, he might tie you down to Diamond. And then he come back on the phone with you and tie up Cassandra. So he do it.
I tell you, sir, I'm going to call him and I'm going to talk things them. But to me, it look like Willie feel like say World Dog them could have do more for him. Him feel entitled to a World Dog have. You know what I mean? On a level of that, me see by what World Dog I say. Although there is two sides to every story, you know what I mean? But me I get from World Dog like Willie feel entitled. You know what I mean? And him want to show say yo, him are the closest to World Dog. Him no want nobody get closer than him to World Dog. So him feel a way when him see other people get certain things and have certain privilege with World Dog. You know what I mean? But you can't pre so. You see me I say? You can't pre so. And as a man you can't pre so. And him not have nobody to blame but himself. You put a next woman over your woman. And how that the relationship they did a go work. How it did a go work? It's like Willie never did that thing because Diamond don't have no papers. She have a visa, can fly up and down, yes. But how long that I go on? You see me I say it's like say boy you hustle backward. Because you can't fall in love with a person and you can't get them straight to foreign. And you can't go back to Jamaica because if you go back to Jamaica you can't come up back. How you expect that the relationship they are going to work? You have to think about them there's something that and on a level, Diamond stand up by him side still, you know, people, because I got hear Diamond side of the story, because Diamond go talk, you know. So I could watch some of this more and then go over to Diamond.
He tie up everybody against everybody. Yes. I saw film begging work. So when he go up on the phone and Chris Vibes, there's a little blood clot mama man between the thing too. You is a little mama man between the thing to Chris Vibes. You did you're not chat. You're not chat. Are you a man when you want to call? And he sink people when you put your phone on mute and me I hear everything. Will you not ramp with me no? Don't ramp with me. You come over here so I can talk like, oh your shit can't make patty. Me say, he go like, boy you go over there, a blood clot beat down door. Me talk to him. I mean, are you saying day night no? Me and him there saying night. I will left,
like
me and him go in 6 bars. I'm married and on the video shoot. You know the video shoot? Turn it up, turn it up. Me and Willie did it. Me and Willie did turn it up. And me said, Willie me a left. And him a left. Me say, you know what I do? Bro, me a left the garage open for you, bro. I'm wake up in the morning, Chris Vibe said, Willie they are jail. But him never know say, me know what go on long time. So him a use style for me. You know what Willie do what here? Team Bless, come out of my shop. Then they power one group call. In tackling phone, that out of Team Bless. And he call himself, save himself and text himself. When me go to do hear him, Lynn want me. Show me text where he text himself. When me go back in his shop, me say me shame. Hear Lynn to me, why ex-young man is so thirsty? Me say what happened? Willie just text himself and now he used to talk to me. Me go to do me say, Willie bro, why you always do this bro and you hear all them talk about ex-gang bro? Me say bro, you have to be a man in a dog. You have to be a man and low off of them things. But instant me go to do go talk to you, me say bro, why are you doing this stuff? Why? You're a big man brother. And then you make it look like everybody do it. You text yourself. You man block you. I said go on, and then you go for a phone. You really are pretend now, bro. It is like you can go like your blood class shit can make party you can that, but what me do for you? I mean, really, what me do for you?
Willie
but
has
you
a
can't
lifestyle
pick me and walk.
yes.
Oh, I'm here.
I have to man up my G, especially if you're not
Alright,
foreign.
you tell me
man?
I'm Diamond lie. Say, you rent, you go on TV, you go on Instagram and cry. TikTok and cry. So nobody know your pain. You're not telling people them real truth where y'all go through. You're not telling people them real. So you want to put out a girl for bringing Diamond. And Diamond willing to book an Airbnb for you and her. Diamond never want to go to your house. But you insist for bring Diamond over there. So a girl will rent her house with her money and get in her name. You go over there go beat the blood clot girl. You come over here so come go like you want to put ex-gang in a hole. And one thing you know, I don't care who want to call my phone and tell me say you don't talk, you know. And who care who want to text me. Once you mention ex-gang, you have to come through blood clot me. Any you mention nobody in my team, you have to come through me before you go through nobody else.
Willie I live some boy lifestyle. Some look a boy lifestyle. Boy when I used to girl lifestyle. You see me I say, people, me telling you something, man. Me no feel say a man fi like try fi uplift himself and think say boy him fi really try fi deal with a bag of girl. No, me no feel say me more feel comfortable fi know say nothing really a go on for me and me dey back a girl every day. You know what I mean? Me have to find a way to try to fix myself. Even if a little thing I go on for me, then at least something I go on for me. And me can maintain myself in a way. You know what I mean? So me can look as much girl as I want. You know what I mean? Some woman, them we take up a man, yes, and take care of him. But most women, them a pre say you have to at least do something for yourself for them take you. You know what I mean? Take you up. Enough woman we take up a man, yes, when I have nothing and I have nothing. When I have nothing. You see me I say? But at least them have potential. You know what I mean? So what Willie do a foreign that are just carelessness. First of all, you are foreign and on papers. That should be your main focus. A job, that should be your main focus also, because you have to pay rent and them something there. You can't do a foreign and I live careless so. And I live like say you have green card. You know what I mean? The dog worthless. I just the facts. You see me I say, even if him not pre work because TikTok can pay him, at least pre your green card. At least pre your green card. Because the relationship where I try to build with Diamond, that would eventually crumble. Because at one point you go want your papers. You see me I say? And you have to go find a way to get your papers. And having Diamond as your girlfriend, that I go mess up you forget from getting your papers. So me not see the sense of that. The dog never did a live like a man, you know what I mean? That's some boy lifestyle him did a live.
Nobody in the ex-gang or nobody in the ex-gang me stand up for my team. Because my team stand up for me. That me I make you know. And my team this. You see what I'm there? In my garage. And if they want to go in my house, they can go in there. But then choose today out there, so. Me now make nobody, nobody in my team. I bring down nobody. I want to tell you, you have respectable women like Cabby, Lori. I just see Mika have a good job. Chevy have a good job. Rest of us are that. You know, Jenny have a good job. Trudy have a good job. Respectable woman, Rock and Miss Cat and them people there. Me now make no disrespect nobody in a blood clot ex-gang. Me I come and talk. You go like I be a careless people in my gang, bro. You have respectable people in my gang. And if anybody have nothing to say about my gang, they have to come through me first. Me I tell you that, bro. Me I stand upside my gang because when everybody gone, bro, my gang decide on me. Me I tell you that, bro. Me now make nobody disrespect my gang. I have nothing to say about my gang. Me I left the next 2 minutes because I have a doctor appointment for go. Me I tell you, bro. Stop it, bro. Now go like we are going like you want to sink with. Behave yourself. Yes, when I call him, when the day when me and him and Diamond on the phone, I give it to him, I say, Willie, Diamond did it to you know. Diamond did it on the phone. Diamond cannot say a lie. Mr. Willie, I saw you did go on the road. And you say me are your friend. Oh, you fit all these things behind me back and say me are your friend, bro. You chat me with everybody. Everybody. You know really favorite talk? No, I better no. When go to everybody and say, hero rich and now do nothing for me.
Yeah, no.
When the favorite talk is, that's why I go for another show, me rich Dan. Me rich Dan, I'm on that dead fame. So today this morning did kill me. People wicked, bro. People wicked, bro. And I'm mid there, so. Ginny, Willie could have done a road already. I got them go behind me back and do what they want to do. Willie could have done a road already. Cause me have it, me have the man up on the line for be and Willie instant. You hear me? Me have the man for you see Willie did move from Brownwood and would there immigration. Brownwood would have no more charge to drop on Willie. Immigration is bigger than Brownwood. Brownwood done with Willie. So if we did pay the bail bond of Brownwood to Willie go to immigration, now we need an immigration lawyer. So now what we are going to do is fight for a court date for Willie to come out and come back a road. And that is the right person who is Jamie. Jamie. That's all I'm to you, bro. But there's time I beg them, I say, beg you 2 weeks. 2 weeks, I say, beg you 2 weeks for Willie come a road. Me I tell you no, bro. See, boy, Willie, you say for the day, boy. Remember me tell you, dog. Let me tell you no last night, said. Every time, me tell you, say me happy. What me tell you this? I will leave for break my vibes, you know. Because me done, me I go look for my little boy. Yeah, I cook my mackerel. Because you, me tell you see you. I saw you do people. I me didn't know. I lie me I tell. Everybody in here so did know. No, I lie me I tell.
I can't be alone.
I can't be alone, never know. This is how me, call me and Chevy and everybody talk about. We didn't know. When me tell you, when me tell you how I shop one night, I say, when Diamond got Jamaica, what going to happen? Don't say. When me say to you live, me say wait till bad mixture done and Diamond go back home. Me say this out of my shop. She's gonna click her live. Remember me telling you. Me telling you.
No.
Look to me like Willie get where he don't get. You see me? Because it look like say him there in a ice thing, you know. You see it? So that is a different kettle of fish. You heard dog say look while, saying got bro hard. You know what I mean? So that are local authorities. You see me? But them are gonna move him or something like that. So him are gonna go over to ice, you know. You know what I mean? Boy, you know look pretty for him. And here Royal Dog say in the video say them could have get him out. Him could have done a road already. But time ways mess him up.
Chevy, this our brother.
Send me address right now. Me a forward. Send back your address, please. Me a forward right now.
Chevy need a pot of soup.
I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you, bro. Me say it, bro. Me say it, what you, bro. Me say to them, me say, watch it now. Everything going to stir up, me say, watch it out. Yes, when Diamond go to Jamaica, Diamond going to click her live, you know. And everything going to come up. And that me tell them out of the shop. Because me said everything and know what go
I
on.
know we have to pick up the hook of them and the stick and the light of them.
Me I tell you. Me I tell you, bro, me say it, bro, me say it. Me say it. Come on, that. Me say, what up? Last to everything, you know. Diamond just love Willie and doing what she's supposed to do it. But you see, Willie, I break Diamond in a corruption. You know why? He might try and lock Diamond for himself so he can control Diamond to do everything. He want to have some, a son stay now.
The same thing he do with we is just that he call Shabby now and he call me after. And then he call
Yeah,
me
tell
after
him.
and he call Jenny after.
And he call everybody and plan up.
Me.
He start a look plan, that's how he go on. You see me?
Willie smart.
Can't do them sitting there, bro.
Willie
You're a man, brother.
smart.
Stand up on your
Like
foot for
Willie a
yourself.
manipulator, man. But Dime, I love him still,
But
you
me
know,
a turn
people
against
are
your
going, you know.
You can't turn it.
Dime, I love him, sir.
Oh, me turn against your mother. Hello? Yeah, man. Your brother disrespect me. A lot of way. You're not hearing funny live this morning. Yeah, Willie's sister. One time I call you and try to find us.
Yeah, when Chevy was saying if he stay in there and rotten, and Chevy are one of the closest person in a ex-gang to Willie. So if she said that, you must know.
Whole heap of time. Me ever call you and say nothing bad about Willie otherwise when me have vent. Or me ever say nothing bad about Willie ever yet? Eh? Mama Willie dey on her phone is Willie dey on his phone is man I tell them I say me never do nothing for her. Never do nothing for him. And he know everything about me. But hear me I say, mommy. But hear me I say, as Willie's sister, when me call you and I ask you good and I say things and I do things. You know I say big man thing and I same thing you did tell me. I mean even not talk this thing up on the line, just left it alone. I same thing you did tell me, man. And your love brother, and your love brother corrupt against you and do what you have to do. So I don't mind the same. If you tap in eyes and go, what you do, what you do?
Cook the blood.
I'm going to cook you alright.
Yeah, people say, alright, just so me I go end the part, yeah, and then play Dime part. As me say, there's a lot, you know what I mean, where Real Dog just say, and Dime have a lot to say also. Because Real Dog say what him say, Dime come reveal fear part of the whole thing. You know what I mean? And some of the things where Dime say, me know say no for uno, I go on Ray, but you see, when a man and a woman is together, the woman have the man back. You see me I say? And to a point, me understand where Dime come from with what she a go say. So I could just kick off here and hear what she a say.
Willie tell me enough like everything. Of course, I ain't go contact all of this, you know. I don't know me say, me not keep nothing. But should because me there say, me never want to come on live and contact nothing about no Willie story or nothing. I'm going to put Willie in a bigger batty hole. Come and go talk about everything go. You see me? Me never click my life pretending to no ex-girl. Me just feel away. Show me see the screen record ground and attack say. But the partner money and the people must say I'm if you pay because I run the people. So me just start talk my mind now. See, I me just start talk how me feel. More how me feel how the people how they deal with me. And give them problem. You see me? Listen. Oh, everything come up now.
I like
me is a woman red my Airbnb, pine blank pan that. So Willie could do run out no girl say at me. Willie have indifferent plans that could do for me. Cause me tell Willie already say me not got and no girl.
She they have poor connection with
No
people.
no girl not come quench me and come bust up my head. See, father they say, he know me go click my life. Don't click me life to talk about Uno. Me just click me life because me see screen record a long time I get beaten. And Uno when I leave me away, I me feel like say me do something. You see me? Me never click me life cause I no problem. Me just click me life cause me just feel over me and Willie I tell me say no talk. And me I say bad man, me just tired of this, you know. Cause me if you go talk, me people them know all this thing go. Cause me nobody come and bring me down and go like say, and me salt up here and me make it a jail or whatever. So when me click my life now, me they explain to the people them now. Me not click my life, you know, problem, you know. Cause as you can see, me they come a cuss. Normally me click my life because mother cuss and father know that and me they come a cuss. Me just come and explain things, and attack out everything go. You see what me I say? See, when the liars thing come up, you know, I'm your father reason, you know. Me call father in the man and I say, Father, Willie, first before me go into everything first. First said first come. Before me reach a foreign, then Shabby said them I get up money if put towards. Willie, see, me say me no know if you use Zelle, you know, so me can't send no money because me no know if you use Zelle. I use my PayPal and Willie make my PayPal get black. So I don't see the whole we find out so if I lie Willie tell me no be there. Willie uncle calls him I go get one lie or whatever. Willie sister, Willie call Willie sister. Whole heap mix up a ground. When me reach a father, yeah, the first day me reach a father that me a Christian run and me grown. Father said to me, say, Willie sister now nothing to do with Willie because the woman say Willie will have to go down because Willie disrespect him. See? And Willie mother now nothing to do with Willie. Me turn to father and say, well, if they deport him, come and me yard and me build my house now. Willie's father say, me no want Willie a flanker. I say, father, me no live a flanker. You mad me not stay there so. See? How we did it? When me look one day, now me tell you all the whole of the mix up come up. When me look one day, now I me did it. One girl text me, DM say my Willie sister. So me think when you want to say that to father. So when she text me, now you know me my mouth boom. So me say to her, say, so when you text me from this, because the last time me check, me hear say, Willie, I have to go down and nothing to do with it. If somebody say, it's not me. I know me a Willie little sister with their jersey. My mother want to talk to you. Send me number to your mother. Me say, okay, fine. You look like a little sister go back and tell the big one, I don't know how I go. When me look at woman come pan 4 with World Dog and the 3 with a Christian 3 with and the woman depend. What you tell Daima say? Which a World Dog, when say that to me now, I think when the girl so, you know me stay now, you know me stay. You don't call the man club, you know me stay. I don't really a wicked, I really a liar. I just saw me stay, I hold on like a G, I just me that. And a superhero me a play, but I just saw me stay. If me hold you down like a G, me hold you down. You see me dog? See the woman and I'm up and say, what you tell Daima say? Ray, on the phone, Willie, I say, John no dog, me not tell Daima nothing, Me could have come in on the phone and say, a father tell me not do that, because me not do mix up dog, me not stand up, me just love it there so. See, when him goes to Obama, me call him mother. Me I say, but your daughter say, Willie have to go down because Willie disrespect him and why and he went tell Willie say Willie go fall. And that me hear and whatever. She a say, we sister that like I know your mother pitney. Me never know because remember me don't know nothing about Willie like that. See,
people look like say Willie tell Daima a bunch of things and kind of lock Daima head in a way. But Daima they don't tell you no say if she love a man, she love a man. So me I say they look like say Daima really love Willie because a lot Daima do for Willie. You see me? And the things them with Willie do, me I tell you no people, no listen.
I must have a sister my father side or whatever now. Because me I say, how can I mix up this and batty what this me coming now? You see me? Everything said and done. See, father say, Willie give me 2 weeks. Remember father they doing party everything. No, me not see nothing na move, nobody na move, nothing na do. We did it. His uncle call and say to me, say, boy, I ain't gonna get one liar. See? The uncle say get one liar. When the uncle say get the liar, boom so. Me tell the uncle if meet me at a World Dog shop. Uncle come a World Dog shop. Me and Butter out there, me and Butter go to the man together. See, Butter they say better you use one. No, me not mad nobody, me not black nobody. Make it stay, me want them ride, me want to see every comment. Me no want nobody get no mute. See, the man come and the man talk about the liar. Both of them say better, we use the other liar. So me I say, alright, uncle, we listen to them because they say liar good because the liar go past squash case and whatever. Me say, Butter, you have a number? Butter say, no. He say, Joe have a number. Me say, call Joe. Joe goes to Bam now and call. Butter goes to Bam and call Joe. Joe goes to Bam and give you the number. His uncle goes to Bam and call the man. See? When we hit the man, then the man, will the uncle explain the case to the liar? The liar say, I'm not the cheapest liar around town, you know, but I can tell you, I'm the best. Right? So when everything explained out for Willie case and everything explained out, the man say 10,000 for do it. See? Wow. When the man say 10,000 for do it, we say, the man say we can pay 5,000 first and then we can put the next 5,000 on payment plan. But he say if we have 4,000, we can come. So I say, alright, father, we are going to put things together and call about Monday morning. See? That I say to the liar. When Monday morning come now, early now, you know me a busy woman, so me get up early to get things done. Because I see nothing done. So me get up, me go so bam. Me say, Chris Life, call father. Chris Life, if you call father. Me say, call father and give me phone. Me say, father. I put the thing them together if you go look about. The thing, you know. Father said, that man, me no wake up yet, you know. And me have me baby apartment if you go with me baby mother. And me say, I hang up back father. When me hang up back father, I look like father and say, John, no. Then the father go think back because you know when people buy march and think back. Then father call back and say, tell Chris Vibe say, for request, $1,000 for my PayPal. Let me go in at everything. See? And Chris Vibe request $1,000 for the PayPal. Remember saying, I did send $500 already, you know. I remember saying, liar feed us come up. So when father give me the $1,000, father that put 500. Because for me 500, they did it already. One I not understand. Because I remember saying, I did send $500 come up before me reach. Eli, I never set yet time. Father tell Chris Vibe request $1,000. Chris Vibe request $1,000. So me I think say
Connection is shaky, people. But to get better still.
$1,000. And he go cast some more family member. See? The uncle circle, couple family member when everybody has said, boy, then they pan eat time and no one. You know, I go on foreign and whatever. Uncle say 1,000. And I say, bumbo clad. Say if uncle have 1,000. Remember, I lie, so we have to come up with $4,000 lease, you know. He can start, you know. And then he go put it on one payment plan, you know. Uncle say have 1,000. Remember, remember how that 5 father give me, you know. Father PayPal Chris Vibes 1,000, you know. But remember, say me did send $500 before, you know. So me did up back my $500 and say a 500 father give me. You get me? See? Me did me and say, blood clot, what me I go do, you know. See, we go down to the office. Remember, the money not add up, you know. Because remember, say, father, give me that day, you know. Father, give me 1,000, which 5 I went for me, and 5 would be for father, with for uncle 5, so that's 2,000. Me call. Me remember if I shove me call her who. And me say, boy. Me remember who me call me no want to tell no lie no. And me I say we have, like me I tell me say we have 3 grand can me go put such and such and such and they want such and such more. The people them say them why everybody I get ready for bad mixture, whatever. Me not trouble about nobody.
That's understandable
so
still.
I related to him. Me go so bam so. See me kitchen tap out yesterday. And I look at kitchen tap out. Me just go so bam so and go so rope so. Rest the rest panny. Me just rest the rest panny. Me no rest the panny and a man me I look. Me just press the rest panny and me rest the rest panny now we go down at the liar. And we go so bam and he liar the 5,000. Then in that 5,000 now his uncle say he will stand for that. He go sign for that and put it on a payment plan and pay it. You see me?
People, one thing me I say. When I feel say all of them things here necessary. Me know say him want come out and him want fight him case or whatever. But tell me if you don't feel like say everything what them a do because they must sacrifice, you know, for help him, you know. Remember, you know, she said she have her kitchen for put the top on it and she used that the money there for put on the rest of money. You tell me in the comment section because me don't know. You feel say all of these things necessary because him not straight that a number one. You understand? Him have a case. Some of the time, I think maybe if you have a case, no, if you're straight and you get a case, them now go send you to immigration. But if you don't straight and you have a case, them are going to send you to immigration. So while they're at immigration, you fight your case and them something there. Yeah, so me I say, so me I wonder if him have a chance to stay because remember you know, him have a case and him don't straight. So wanna tell me in the comment section if all of them money spending here upon lawyer how much $1,000 if that necessary, if that can help him.
So me put 3-5. Father give me 5 and uncle give me 1,000. And the first one.
Enough money that John.
You get where me I come from. See? We did it. Every time one call we receive from Chris Vibe phone, me give Chris Vibe $20 for receive the call. Cause every time when call we come in, Chris Vibe say, Diamond me no money if you accept the call. Me have to pay if you accept the call if you call me. Me never get a free call yet. And when a Chris Vibe they go through, I have to pay for it. Me have to put money on the Chris Vibe phone for the call answer. Me don't know if father they say, me and Chris Vibe must talk some personal things. Me and Chris Vibe never talk nothing personal about nobody yet. But then, but me and Chris Vibe now hold no argument. Most time I cuss have Chris Vibe. Cause more why me feel like Chris Vibe, I go on for me to and cuss Chris Vibe and whatever. The argument say, I me hear back, I me say to Chris Vibe say, Mr. Chris Vibe, oh you gonna talk about our uncle tell and you me, Mr. Chris Vibe, you me tell that. So all that they reach over there so. I mix up on the pan. See? I me say it to butter. You understand me I come from? Fan that day until now, me not hear back from nobody. Nobody not say back nothing to me after the liar pay everything set and done. Remember me not know none of them. All this while me know his word.
It look like she get one call right this.
Ex no because I don't like say. Me know remember me not know none of them. All this while me know his word that. You see me? I know father can come here and it's the father say. Don't worry yourself. I say, remember, say, me have to pay. me rent on the Airbnb. See him, because the man rent me the Airbnb to $100 a night, and the man saying go give me for the price. Because I remember I rolled that Fred. Father said, I'm not worry, you say, I'm going to pay for the Airbnb for you. I don't hear back from father, I don't say nothing. Remember, father don't want me no obligation. I don't pay me want to bill myself. I go and clutch. It's still a freeze?
Why people are whole heap of money that I'm going to spend a foreign still, you know? Me nah lie.
Still a freeze?
Because Airbnb for bills and
Nobody
night and
listen
how
when me tell
long
them
time
something
I
I
foreign.
understand. Nobody can protect me. Me a big woman. Me an idiot. Me know everything what Willie do. Me know every lie what Willie tell. Bad man I does some me stay. You feel if you understand I does some me stay. Me know everything what Willie do. First of all, me give Chris vibes. Me put the money on the phone to get the call. And I criticize a call everybody. I criticize a call them. Because Willie don't know nobody number. The time when Willie cuss off him baby mother, we baby, me tell her what go on that party. The baby, uno listen me good. And uno tell me if me wrong or if uno do the same thing too. Father when they pan in life I do a thing and say, oh go stay do one. And Willie baby mother saying go stick by him. So when Willie call me say, your baby mother saying go stick by your hope, uno stick by you. I help you. I help you right through thick and thin. Because right I know I cut me, I go cut you know. So I hope they help you because everybody has say I stick by you, I say nobody will help you. You know my mouth feisty. Chris vibes again now. Me say Chris vibes when
Want to talk on the part the people. So as I said before, if you don't feel like say all of these money spending necessary, and when me did I say, when World Dog did I give, when World Dog did I talk about having a relationship with a person when you're at the same place where you're there and you don't have no papers to fly down, go link the person, and every time the person have to come, how long that person are going to keep coming? Because remember, you know, you're going to need somebody to get married to, to get your stay, you know. You see me I say, and if you're in a relationship with that person, how you're going to marry the next person? Plus the person jealous because of that mash up the thing for Willie get married to one and baby mother just a while ago. You know, here with them I say, when World Dog them a try connect Willie to him baby mother, if get married to Willie, if he try save him because that's the only way him can get saved. If him beat the case, that's the only way I'm going to be able to stay a foreign. And you hear what I come say, make sure say your baby mother stick by you right through. A cut she ready for cut and left the relationship. And that have to help him. So jealousy kick in right there. So at the beginning of the relationship, it never make no sense. You saw me I say because you now go and left to go back a foreign go live. Simple. So why you go prolong this relationship with this person? You go carry person on a ride. You saw me I say?
Me you know I hope they help you because everybody has say I stick by you, I say nobody will help you. You know my mouth feisty. Chris vibes again now. Me say Chris vibes, when me put the money for your phone, me you not supposed to add nobody to me call and listen me. Anybody you want to add to the call, make them pay for their own call themselves. Chris vibes making call and add the woman. Then me don't know why cause the woman and tell the woman say. You tell me did wrong and me right if you know say that. You tell me wrong and me right.
Me I go say you're wrong.
You tell me no nobody me wrong, you tell me.
You're wrong.
You just tell me.
You're wrong. Diamond do it out like a messed up way, you know. You see me I say, she do it out you know what I mean, her feelings. Because remember, you know, she got a foreign go spend much money, you know. She spent 3-5, you know, pan him law, yeah, you know. She go there, pay Chris vibes for answer the call him $20 every time him call, you know. She a pay for her Airbnb bills a night, you know. So she go there, go spend up her money because she love the man. But you see when it come down to the nitty-gritty, you know, if the man got married for getting papers, that's a no-no. So how am I going to get help? So me, I go say that I'm wrong there. So at the first, when me did I say the relationship no make no sense in the first place. Because you want papers for foreign and the person where you fall in love with don't have no papers for give you. It no make no sense from morning. It might sound harsh and sound bad, but a reality because at the end of the day, he might go want him papers. Love can't go get him papers for him. So me understand Daima come and she do what she can do. But when it come down to the point where him have to get married for him papers, Daima don't want that happen because she love the man. And me can't wrong her for love the man, but she wrong for deny him of that. You see me?
I mean, you no tell me wrong or me right. You no tell me no come in and meet nobody if me wrong, you no tell me. You no just tell me. If me no see nothing I do, I mean the woman say I stick by my him. When him call me say, you be able to say go stick by you. Me name cousin me just say, you be able to say go stick by you. I hope him stick by you and everything. Cause right now, people are saying I stick by you. Me no see nobody I do nothing want me. So you know me go down and go to cut. That me tell him. Me put the money on Chris Vice's phone to answer the call. Cause then the time me have no foreign phone. Me have no foreign phone cause butter can me go buy the phone. Me butter they go and Google and I go and myself, you know. See?
You understand she have feelings.
Mr. Chris Vice, when I put the credit for your phone, do not add nobody to the call. Anybody want to take one call from Willie. Pay me start feel away and start cussing and say, imagine if you know Willie a friend and that if you want $8 phone call, you no can accept. I want to expect me to do. Me no see nobody asking about him. Me no hear nobody say nothing. Me no say nothing either, because me no know the people. Me know. I really like I know me know. Me can't call the people and ask the people about nothing. You understand me? I say, me no call nobody, me no say nothing. When Willie want in commissary, me go come alive, me walk over here upon the line and go pay for it. Me cuss him like a dog when me ready. Can't go like him can anger me. Me cuss him and me say me not answer him phone call and me remember saying the dream, me say, oh God, me answer him. Nobody can protect me because I already know me know everything we really do. My mommy name Diamond. All the world and them not telling me and I contact them, me know all of them is something there. Me know all of them is something there already. And me done lick up and Willie already down a jail and me hungry him already. So all of your father thought me know all of them is something there. Father remember say me a Diamond me name too. Just like how him father big me big too. Father know me all hear things. Me hear things. But when me tell you no all me stay. I saw me stay. If me like you, I will be loyal to you. Me tired tell you no. All if a friend I just saw me stay. Me know so not kill me and I never have me head and still stay loyal. I saw me stay till any time I feel like say me no want to stay loyal no more, me walk away. I just saw me stay. So them don't have to protect me. I already know everything what I do. I already know everything. Me find out about every lie. Me find out with my car. Me find out everything. But the call them I go through Chris Vibes. And a Chris Vibes after I the call them because Willie don't know nobody name it. Willie don't have nobody in number in sitting more than for Chris Vibes. A Chris Vibes number I know. A Chris Vibes in call. So you see anybody else you want to talk to, Chris Vibes have to add them to the call. Me and Chris Vibes never chat nothing about world dog yet. I nothing personal. Me just specific. You say something specific to somebody you hear back, you don't just know who say it. You understand where I come from? Me and Chris not chat nothing about world dog. So when world dog I say you feel like me and Chris fight talk. Me and Chris not talk nothing. Upon Chris man, Chris having one problem then. Chris having whole one problem then. More me and you yeah. But through sometime I him me there round and me can't get to talk me mind. Me just cuss him. Me and Chris not talk nothing about world dog.
Why, Willie? You know, rock and a hard place, boy.
So me just know you say it back. You know, when you tell somebody something specific and you go on back and road. You know, have to if and but, and you know, have to ask the question. Just like how me take me say to butter say. Just like how me say to butter say. Oh, there's a Shabby and me they collect money per life. If you make up towards Willie liar and nobody don't give me nothing. That me say, you know. That me say to butter, you know. So nobody don't give me no money and then say them a collect fee. You see me? And I say to him, say, all them video them I say, Mika and Shabby they say, Willie and my brother and nobody not asking me. But I say that too, you know. So just when Shabby come back and say me a throw shade, I say Shabby me not throw no shade because I not throw shade. But I tell that. Because when a specific tell somebody something, you have to know who you say it to. Because I say me not throw shade, me plain. And Father I say, me and she Willie. Me not she Willie, no more people me tell what Willie do me. Me tell lovely miss. Me tell how much people Willie do me. Me just never come by the life con talking. How much people me tell that? How much people me tell her Willie do me? Me tell Anointed, me tell Lovely Miss, me tell Onela. How much people me tell me never any ID? And all in my mind me I say, what a blood clot when Willie come I'm ready to start talk the things in the life when he do me. And the people me laugh. More time go up on my life and I say, Willie do me so sick, but I wait till he come to talk to me, continue. It's like that, me not like say me a shield him or nothing. Me just me just not think of the time for talk them thing there. I mean, some man love talk things in front of him face. Cause you know, take for instance, he come a road, me go beat him. I'm beat him in front of him face. I say, remember when they tell me, say this, say, oh, everybody knows, say, me talk facts, I don't know, me stay. I mean, I don't know, click live, me and father say, he tell them, say, they won't click live. This man, me click me live, me never wanna disrespect nobody. I was just talking in general. Me never wanna disrespect nobody. But just when you talk how me feel. Me never wanna disrespect nobody. Me just talk how me feel, dog. I mean, when I talk, I know on behalf of Willie. Because the reason why Willie on the phone, when Willie call me, I don't have emotion. So, in my emotion, when Willie call me, so I just start telling my mind too. You get where me I come from? I start telling my mind and start saying, Willie, right now, I'm sorry, I'll deal with it now, because I worse drag down me get something. Father go say, and say Swiftly, I listen everything, you know. So then call Willie one side, and say, when I go do about the girl on the son. And really, and see, I tell him say my fool. So everybody know. So see, he come right back around. Nobody never been want to there with me. Which Willie say when there with the woman, and the woman not there again. Which the woman at the house, and Willie at the house too. Which Willie they on video call every night and sleep on phone. So I saw that the girl had a fool for there with Willie, and Willie in the house on phone every night.
So, me not think them did a try to fight the relationship. You know what I mean? Me feel like say them just did a look out for Willie and them feel a way for the girl without the yard. Cause as a real dog say on Fame Life, say the girl come from way upstate. You know what I mean? Come to Florida, come rent place, and she and Willie live there. And him know the girl, and the girl is a nice little humble girl. So him a look upon her and say, him would want Willie do the girl that. You see me I say? So them, me no feel like them did a fight against the relationship between D0Ne and Willie. And me feel like them did a look out for Willie as well, because Willie not have no papers. And the relationship with D0Ne, it can turn into something beautiful, but looking at it from a point where Willie need papers, it no make no sense. You see me? So maybe all of them things them did a try show him as him friends, because your friends, them have to tell you the truth. Them have to tell you the real. You know what I mean? If your friends can't tell you the real, who I go tell you? So me no feel like them did really have a problem with D0Ne per se. Them just have a problem with Willie I go treat the girl with her yard. And also how am I go get him papers from D0Ne? Feel like that them have an issue with.
In the house. Remember
our life did a freeze away. Our connection did bad.
They sleep on phones and she in the house. Remember the woman?
So if like how D0Ne talk it, you know, say the girl in the house and Willie up and, you know what I mean, video call, that means that the relationship did kind of mash up. Him should have tell him friend them say the relationship mash up, you know what I mean, but them still live in our house together.
On phone every night. They sleep on phones and she in the house. Remember the woman house, you know, because the woman rent the blood. What me I tell you no. When me look in the phone with the woman every night. When me say me I come and fire, me say me they rent Airbnb. Willie say, oh you rent Airbnb, me I pay me rent.
It's a roommate thing.
Me say,
a roommate.
What do you Wi-Fi? They freeze? Don't tell me if you a freeze, because right now I'm acting here. It a freeze? It a freeze? It a freeze, you no answer no? You no answer tell me if it a freeze.
A roommate thing with people. Look like a roommate thing to rot it.
I don't know what's wrong with this, you know. When we did reach, you know, remind me, when my mom kind of old and I kind of feel frustrated now. I don't know, I don't really deal with things calm, but I just deal with this calm, because I don't really want the problem. You get me? See? Me no see nobody come back and say nothing to me. Me no trouble nobody. Me leave people alone. Because at the end of the day, nobody no obligated to you. Your father say, him know me 3 months. Which me I say, everything my father talk about, me I say money on paper. Everything, me no hide it for nobody. Me tell Italian, I remember Italian when they with Willie. Me all have woman Willie when they with call me and them correspond. I girl when them Italian and call her Nicole. Me tell the girl everything. Me tell Odella. Me tell Lovely Miss. Me tell Anointed. Me don't know who me not tell our but our world I got talk, me tell them already. It's just that me never... Me know jail feel, you know. Me know jail feel and me know jail stay. Remember, we never got jail for him bad, you know. I don't know, man, me I look or whatever, you know. See, Willie did it. And Willie there and Willie go so bad. No for one never know say Willie live with woman, you know. No for one never know that, you know. So when you used to bring down and talk about big pussy diamond star, no for one never know say Willie live in a house with man. No for one never know say a woman lock him up. Me never want to touch a topic, cause me no want, if I not me go touch no topic, and you go up on the internet, and the woman go say we are bully her, and the woman go say nobody are trouble him, and he go make it bad for Willie. So that's why me never want to talk about it. That's all the reason I never want to talk about it. Because the woman, when I read out her statement, I left it because I don't want to talk. I don't want to say anything. And then little more now, the woman go put say, oh, we are troubling our life out. So I don't want to go in at it. So that's why I don't really talk about it. I leave it there. I don't want to go in at it because I don't want to say nothing. And then now you go lead to a different thing. And you go hear say me they trouble the woman. Then you go make it bad for him. Then something else worse go happen to him.
Keep your hand to yourself, Willie.
But so yeah, my father say the whole of them pull Willie one side and asking so when go do with the woman in that house. So that means obviously all of them never want me there in there with me. And I never went go look him. And I me tell him to fall in love with me. Because I never cook no food game so I can't tie him. And the man say, man, which man go there with woman in that house and take Icky and go back in that house. I saw that the girl let a baboon.
But real dog, see, I just say he argument and fight
I'm just
start.
saying. Me don't have nothing to do with him and the woman and what happened to him. I don't have anything to do with it. When me say me I come up, me say me go come up for Valentine's. Willie don't know how my ticket buy. I want my shooter them buy me my ticket. Cause when me tell Willie say me have my ticket, me I come up. Willie don't know how my ticket buy. One of my shooter them buy me buy my ticket, give me. I mean me upon Valentine's Day, me come back at me yard. And my shooter extend me ticket and tell me say, go and stay car. Me ticket went buy for 2 weeks. He never buy for stay a bad mixture. And I say, show your man like come there already. Me go stay for bad mixture because me can't go down and come up back. So I say me go stay and she say, alright, I will extend the ticket for you if you want to stay. And I say, beside me stay to come here if you move around for Willie and I can't stay for Jamaica and do certain things. So one if you don't understand me.
Why people, this is one big bring down. You see what I say? And for them I say about Mika and Shavi about them, I collect money for Willie for pay the lawyer and she not see the money. Well, they must know what did I go on if them really did I collect money for him. As I say, it's something internal did I go on long time and them just choose to just cut him off. You know what I mean? Right now. Something did I go on because it look like saying did I go on with some things and them find him out and them decide to cut him off because you hear what Real Dog say. One of the time Real Dog did I say him tell them say like them did know say because the whole of them talk and them did up and call them did know say Diamond go click her live when she go down because of certain things. So obviously them did attack. You know what I mean? And them know why them did attack because it look like say Willie did a go on with some things, as me say. So make we listen some more.
No, me have to explain my side of the story. I don't want nobody go talk about me look like say me a Yamisha or me a run down man or this and that. Cause we're like a ball out and say, oh, Willie call this. Me know everybody where Willie call. Me know everybody where Willie call. Everybody come. You know me know say Willie a call Cass. Me and Butter do this something and Willie say, how are you about to just up in a Valentine close by road for? Willie don't have no phone, so that's me and Butter do this something for me. Oh, Chris Vibe. So Willie, I can't smell the road different for me. Cause Willie know where me and Butter in and Willie not have video camera. Remember me not dance. Me start cuss Chris Vibe and say, me can't show you everything. Me say, Chris Vibe, move for your blood clot and don't go on to, you know. Because you know everything what Willie do. Because all of the girls my Willie call you have to call and me start cuss Chris Vibes. And me say, try to if you not call my blood clot for nobody now me attack my part to me they talk. Everything where they feel say me no know. Me know everything where they go on. I know everything what is going on. Because first of all, when me call Willie trace me. Well, what time you about to do Valentine's and Ray and whatever. Me say, so me say, how the fuck you know say me about to do Valentine's video? How the fuck you know that? So me start cuss and say, Me call Chris Vibes. Me say Chris Vibes. All you want to, you know. Me no business what Willie want call and tell you, know, because you know all of the girls me they call blood clot Willie, you know. And them something there, you know. And me start getting mad and say, alright then. Call them if you want. And you have to call them because Willie don't know their number. And you they get their number and you them a DM and you them a text and read and me start cuss. Me know everything where they go on. I don't look at me a G. I think nobody can be and nobody can clone me out. Anything me do out of my heart. Because if me can sit down and get the listen. If me can sit down for yourself and go up on live and me get the people them money and he need help. See me come make the people them work hard and give me them money and he need help. Me just help. Me just
Nothing wrong
see me
with
come make the
that.
people them work hard and give me them money and see them come and debt there. See me not debt my kitchen. But me just look into it and say, alright. See me come here can there yes so and get the people them free money and them help me to put me where me there. Me can help back somebody too. And at the end of the day, me used to remember when time he went out of jail. He used to shoot me be a liar and shoot me be a thing. And me look into it and say, Jano, you see me? And sometimes when I don't see Willie shoot for me, you know. Me used to never like when Willie shoot for me because when Willie shoot for me, it costs me. As Willie in a problem. What do you? Ray, you know say, you know that? You know Ray? I true me not like the problem. Me say, alright. Save one paper. Let me give you this, let me give you that. You see me?
So it look like say when Willie send Diamond things, him call her back and dig money off of Diamond. Diamond have to send back money come give him. But if you have a woman or a man and you and them together and them in a situation, yeah man, you have to help them out, you know what I mean? You have to do what you have to do to help them out, and I hope it a vice versa where if Diamond did in a situation, he would help her out too. You see it?
I just saw me stay there, me just real. So, even nothing say, even me help him today and he come tomorrow morning and look for me. He don't really have nothing to do with me because when me help people, me not help people for people help me back. Me help people because that's how God make me. Me help people for feel me blessings, sure. So, me not help no man if say a man me want or me a run down man. Me just help him because me can do it. Me just help, so you say me can manage, me do it, so when me can manage, me leave it. But as long as me can manage, me just help. Me not help people if talk about nothing. Help people if get my blessing. Me no business about nothing. A whole heap of friend me help. A whole heap of man me help and then this me. And see me as still firm. So all we hear father talk, me know everything. You hear father they talk say, him give Willie money if he take out the car. Me give Willie money if he take out the car too. So I told we give Willie money if he take out the car.
No.
Because me surprised a while ago when father say, him give Willie money if he take out the BMW. Me give him money if he take out the BMW too. Because I say no right for move.
What a go on, yeah.
So if him give
So
money, me
Willie
give
a
money
go
too.
on with? Willie a go on with? How with the blood? Boy, Willie life.
All the way me the ear, me know everything, you know. Me know everything I hear, everything already. I just play dumb to it.
Sir.
And just be like, me don't want to hear it. Because you say me sit down and hear it, me I go get corrupt. And if me get corrupt and everybody get corrupt, him not gonna have nobody at all. Because everybody done corrupt on him already. Because people, everybody done say him do this and him do that and him lie and him whatever. He lie of course and him do whatever. But everybody gonna turn them back on him. So if everybody done gone already, me can't go turn my back too. So me just firm it up and just call it at the end of the time he come, me just tell him my blood clot mine too. All me tell me mine on phone, because I know my face. I regular me cuss off Willie and hang up on him. I'm a call my phone and I not take no call. You have to start call Chris Vibes. Why me and Chris I never chat nothing about your father. Because I not chat people. Me never have no time to chat nothing. Because I want to stress and I want a problem then.
Why,
What
Willie?
do we?
Me not lie, people. Willie life discombobulated. Me not lie. No, sir. Too much things are going on. You know what I mean? Him a go on with too much. So it look like say him get things from real dog for deal with the car. And then him come get things from Diamond for deal with the car too. No man, Willie did a go on with too much me people. Cause I hear real dog I say Willie call Mika, chat somebody else with Mika, then call somebody else, chat Mika with them, and I saw him grow and beg them bills and sitting. And the T-Nice situation where the dog go beg T-Nice the money for buy the shoes. T-Nice where I shoot so much lion, you go beg that the little bit of money there for you tell the woman say you want 5 bills or something like that. You know what I mean? Willie did that. Boy, I don't know if you say yeah, people. Here we go on. Right, just something I got end everything. We don't make me know what you think in the comment section because J0Ne Boy, Willie, you spread your belly off lay down in it, dog. So, me I go anywhere, just some people.